Valentine's Day, everyone. Found this Vicks humidifier. This is an old sucker, you know. Had it for quite a while and just found it and decided to do a little video on it. Show you what it looks like. There. I think that a symbol is for the warning sign. You can't touch it when it's going, because it could burn you and be a little hot. So yeah, I think this must be the air that it comes out a little bit, which I believe so. I can't remember. This sucker right here doesn't really work as well anymore, because I think you need water to add in there to get this to work again. And I tried to plug this in right there and turned it on and it wouldn't start. But it looks pretty good though. Top of it. Take a look inside here. Try to see if I'll open it. Go. So this will be for where the water comes right in. Pour the water and alright, I think this pretty much wraps up this video right here. If you guys all liked it, and have a happy Valentine's Day, and give some good love to them. So, peace out.